How to easily fix PNC Mobile Banking app not working issue. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with mobile banking application easily. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to navigate to Google Play Store and in the search bar type for PNC Bank. Now there, if you see the option of update, do update the application. Now the second method is to tap and hold on the icon of PNC Bank in your mobile device and go to App Info. Then after, in the settings of PNC Bank application, you will see the option of storage. Simply click on it and choose the option of clear cache, as sometimes collected cache for application can also affect this performance. And that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with PNC Mobile Banking not working issue. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.